What would you do if you lost $3 million? Cry, scream, move to a deserted island? Well, that's exactly what happened to me during the 2008 recession. I went from living the dream to losing everything almost overnight. But here's the twist. What came next wasn't the end. It was the beginning of something big. And guess what? I fixed that $3 million mistake with just one simple strategy. Want to know what it is? Stick around, because this could change everything for you. Have you ever tried to bake cookies and ended up setting off the fire alarm? You think, how hard can it be? Sugar, flour, eggs, boom, cookies. But somehow it turns into a disaster. Well, building a business can feel just like that. You've got the ingredients, passion, skills, a big dream. But if you don't know the recipe, you'll burn it every time. Hey there, I'm Ola from myEmpirePRO. If you've ever felt like your entrepreneurial journey has been a mix of trial and error, highs and lows, this is the video for you. Stick around, because today we're going to untangle a big problem a client of mine recently faced. And by the end, you'll leave with tools to take your business from confusion to wow. Oh, and if you're ready to level up, I've got something special for you at the end, but only if you are serious. All right, so let me take you back in time for a second. It's 2004, I'm fresh out of college, and I hear about this first-time homebuyer seminar. I think, why not? Fast forward a few years, and I've created a $3 million revenue in real estate. I'm on top of the world. And boom, 2008, recession hits, and my empire comes crashing down. I lost everything. But here's the twist. Losing it all was the best thing that ever happened to me, because in the ashes of the disaster, I discovered something powerful and something recession-proof: digital marketing. And let me tell you this thing, it's been paying me handsomely and consistently ever since. It's so good, I even wrote a book about it, Digital Marketing Certified, actually right now. All right, but stay with me and I'll tell you how you can grab it for free. Now, let's dive into today's story, which is packed with lessons you can use right now. Recently, I started working with a client. We'll call him Joe. Joe is a passionate entrepreneur who decided to run Meta, Facebook, Instagram ads to promote his high-ticket webinar funnel. Sounds fancy, right? Well, let's just say things didn't go as planned. Joe came to me panicking, like someone who just realized they sent the boss a text that was basically meant for a best friend. He was like, Ola, I'm spending so much money on ads, and I'm getting nothing but headaches in return. So I had him book a consultation with me. We sat down and I said, all right, let's dissect this like a frog in science class. And here's what we uncovered. Problem number one, freebie leads. Joe was attracting people who loved free stuff. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? But these weren't buyers, they were browsers. Picture someone who shows up at Costco just for the free samples. They're not buying the 12-pack of jumbo muffins, they just want a bite. That's what Joe was pulling in. Problem number two, high cost of acquisition. Every lead Joe was getting cost him an arm, a leg, and probably a kidney. It's like paying $100 for a burger when you're not even sure you will like it. All right, so problem number three, a weak heart. No offense to Joe, but he was scared to make bold moves. I've been there too. You can't win the race by tiptoeing to the finish line. He was so afraid of losing money that he couldn't think big. Also, the failure and hope deferred also makes the heart weak, right? Now, here's where the magic happens, the solutions. Joe's problems weren't unique, and neither are yours. If you're running ads, launching products, or trying to grow your empire, you're probably feeling the same frustration. So let me walk you through what we did to fix it. Solution number one, low ticket offer. I told Joe, stop leading with free. Instead, create something small but valuable. A low ticket offer. Sometimes we call it the LTO. It's like a movie trailer. You're not giving away the whole film. You're giving people a sneak peek that gets them hooked. So maybe it's a $27 book or a $47 mini course. This filters out the Costco freebie samplers and brings in people who are at least a little serious. Solution number 2, focus on one offer and test prices. Joe was juggling too many things, like a circus performer with one too many bowling pins. I said, pick one thing, just one, and then we tested different price points to see what worked best. I've made those mistakes in the past too, just too many things going on, right? Here's a pro tip. Sometimes the price isn't the problem, it's how you frame the value. Solution number 3, go broad on targeting. This one blew Joe's mind. He was so focused on hyper-targeting that his ads were suffocating. I told him, loosen up, go broad. Let the algorithm work its magic and find the people for you. It's like fishing in a lake versus a puddle. The more space you give, the bigger the catch. Halfway through this process, Joe was skeptical, of course, Hola, are you sure this will work? And I said, Joe, let me hit you with one of my secrets. You are the secret. Your mindset, your willingness to try, fail, and try again. That's what will make or break this. And honestly, he started to get it. By the end, Joe's funnel went from a hot mess to a money-making machine. He stopped bleeding cash on ads and started attracting people who were ready to invest. And the best part, his weak heart became bold. He realized that the goal isn't to spend less money, it's to make more money. And that, my friend, is the kind of transformation you can have if you're ready to take action. Now, before I continue, if you're vibing with this so far, take a quick second to hit the like button. All right, go ahead, I'll wait. It helps this video reach more people like you who are ready to grow their empire. And hey, while you're at it, smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so, because I drop nuggets like this all the time. All right, so back to the action. Here's the thing about entrepreneurship. It's not a straight road. It's a roller coaster. You're going to have highs, lows, and moments where you want to scream, let me off this ride. But if you learn the right skills, like digital marketing, you can turn that roller coaster into a rocket ship. Which brings me to you. Are you ready to level up? If you're serious about growing your business and want someone to guide you, I'm offering a complimentary consultation. No strings, no catch, just a chance for us to chat about your goals and how to get you there. And as a thank you for your time, I'll even give you my audiobook, Digital Marketing Certified, absolutely free. All right. And it's packed with strategies that can work for any business, whether you're selling cookies, coaching, or cat sweaters. So here's the deal. Click the link in the description to book your call. Don't wait. Every empire starts with one bold step, and this could be yours. Before you go, let me leave you with this question. Quick question for you. What's the one thing holding you back from taking your business to the next level? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll read every single one, and I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, remember, think big, be bold, and always bet on yourself. This is Ola from myEmpirePRO signing off. See you at the top.